following video, we're going to take a look at the A minor pentatonic shape. We're not going to go into the music theory behind it. We are going to take a look at it and try to build a shape that we can use for other scales, right? So we're going to start off in position number 5. So we're going to start all of our notes in fret number 5, okay? We're going to use finger number 1 for that. So we're going to be in fret number 5, string number 6, and that's going to be our first note, which is our tonic, which is A. Now we're going to go 4 frets down. We're going to skip B and we're going to go straight to C. And we have, those are our first 2 notes. Now let's go down. So we are in fret number 5, string number 4, using finger number 1. We're playing D. And then we're going to go 2 frets down to get to E. So let's review. We have 5, 8, 5, 7. We're going to keep that pattern, 5, 7 again, in fret number 5, fret number 7, in string number 4. Let's go to string number 3. We're going to do the same thing. So now we have C and D. We're playing in fret number 5, fret number 7. So we have 5, 8, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 7. And then the last 2 are going to be 5, 8, 5, 8. So we have E, 8, G, and then we have A, and we have C. So if we break it down as numbers, right, basically what we're doing is fret number 5, 8, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 8, 5, 8. Okay, let's try that. 5, 8, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 8, 5, 8. Let's go in reverse. It would be 8, 5, 8, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 8, 5, right? So it would be... Now going up. Going down. We haven't talked about the pick, but the pick, you can just keep it at a simple up and down motion. That's going to help you focus more on the notes, right? And what I would recommend is maybe that you record an A minor chord. Just play the scale going up and down until you get a really good feel for it, right? And as we said, we're trying to build a shape or a pattern. And now we can take that pattern, the big, small, 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 big, big pattern, and we can move it to a different position. I'm going to move that pattern that I just did. I'm going to move it 2 frets down, and that's going to take me to G. Our first note is going to be the name of the scale. So now I am in G minor pentatonic, right? So I'm going to do the same pattern that I did where I have 4 frets going down, a big, small, 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 big, big, right? Let's see how that sounds. So I'm going to go from 3 all the way down to 6. Same pattern as I did before, right? Practice it in fret number 3. You can do the same thing. You can move that pattern anywhere you want, as long as you're starting off with string number 6. Let's go all the way down to fret number 7. Okay, so my recommendation is maybe you can start practicing that maybe as a warm-up exercise where you start off in fret number 1, you do the pentatonic scale, go to fret number 2, you do the same pattern, fret number 3, same pattern, fret number 4, and that would serve as a really good warm-up exercise for your hands. And then you can go ahead and maybe record the chord, like we talked about before. If you're in A minor, you record A minor, and you just go over the same chord, and then you practice the same scale up and down the fretboard to give you a little bit of a backtrack to what you're doing, right? So go ahead and practice.